Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, welcome back to another edition of Let's Talk About Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello， 大家好，我係 Josephine。这个月呢，我们都在讲衣服，有没有什么样的谚语？idioms or phrases that has to do with clothing 或者是借这些
跟衣服有關的谚語是不是？定有。
Leo 老師請了。
好，一台褲牛強出刺，二台褲作處唔作布，三台褲不識時務。
还有四台夫吗？
没有，
没有了。
对。
So let's have Leo explain what exactly this idiom is talking about. 所以里面一代父后面接的那句话是说什么呢？
咬姜出刺就是咬姜喝醋
就很刻苦耐劳那种感觉，
很苦，很省吃俭用的意思。
Okay, so for the first generation to be wealthy, they use 4 words right here, which means literally, biting on ginger and drinking vinegar. That sounds so hardworking, you know? So that's the first generation. Now second generation, 二代父的时候就开始要享用了，对不对？
对，就是作厝唔作布，就是穿绸缎不穿布。
Oh, okay. So in this part of the idiom, it talks about how the second generation, they really wear nice and luxurious clothing. Okay, 就是穿着这个绸缎，
对啊，
但不穿布了。
对啊，就是穿高档的衣服。
对。然后三代父后面又接着是什么呢？
三代父就不识时務，就是不识时務。
就完全不是很这个 care 任何事情，然后就是很败家了，
不求上进这样子。
不求上进，对。Okay, so when it comes to the third generation, they just don't care about anything anymore. They just spend like there's no tomorrow.
其实有一句国语有一句话叫做富不过三代
啊，听过。That's right. There is a saying in Chinese, and it means wealth will not stay for more than 3 generations. So there you go. We're going to hear this explanation in English right now.
There's a Hakka saying about daily life that describes frugal first-generation penny pinching so that offspring can enjoy a luxurious life. However, by the third generation, people tend to forget about the hard times. This reminds us not to be wasteful and not to take our surroundings for granted.
And let's have Leo here read that line one more time for everyone.
一台褲牛強出刺，二台褲作厝唔作布，三台褲不識時務。
So save up all those pennies and you will be a rich man or woman, all right? That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺是谁张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.